Hello and welcome. Today, we will delve into the basics of LCA, exploring how this method helps us understand the environmental impacts of products or services throughout their entire life cycle. We will learn about the significance of LCA in decision-making processes and sustainability initiatives. In this section, we will introduce you to the fundamental concepts of life cycle assessment, LCA. LCA is a systematic approach that evaluates the environmental impacts of products or services from cradle to grave. We will explore the key components of LCA, including goal and scope definition, life cycle inventory, life cycle impact assessment, and interpretation. Let's dive deeper into the essence of LCA. LCA provides a comprehensive view of a product's environmental impacts throughout its entire life cycle, from raw material extraction to disposal. We will discuss the importance of each stage in the LCA process, highlighting how it helps us make informed decisions to minimize negative environmental effects. Understanding the purpose of LCA is crucial. LCA allows us to calculate and comprehend a product's ecological footprint across its entire life cycle. By leveraging LCA, we can make fact-based decisions to reduce negative environmental impacts at every stage of a product's life, ultimately enhancing resource efficiency and sustainability. Why is LCA important? LCA plays a pivotal role in decision-making by providing comprehensive data on environmental impact. It empowers businesses to promote sustainable practices, improve resource efficiency, and balance economic opportunities with ecological responsibilities. In this section, we will explore the tangible and intangible benefits of LCA. By harnessing these benefits, businesses can achieve cost reduction, risk management, operational efficiency, access to new markets, future-proofing, employee engagement, customer loyalty, and brand enhancement. Let's uncover how LCA can drive positive change in various aspects of business operations. It is crucial to understand how this methodology can lead to cost reduction. By identifying resource-intensive processes, businesses can optimize their operations, reduce waste, and ultimately save on expenses. Additionally, LCA aids in risk management by anticipating regulatory changes and supply chain vulnerabilities, allowing businesses to proactively adjust their practices and mitigate potential risks. Transitioning to the intangible benefits of LCA, we uncover the less quantifiable yet equally impactful advantages. Employee engagement plays a vital role in fostering a culture of environmental stewardship within organizations. By prioritizing sustainability through LCA initiatives, businesses can boost employee morale, attract top talent, and drive innovation. Moreover, customer loyalty and brand enhancement are enhanced as businesses demonstrate their commitment to sustainability, building trust and loyalty among environmentally conscious consumers. Harnessing both tangible and intangible benefits of LCA requires a strategic approach. By focusing on cost reduction, risk management, operational efficiency, access to new markets, future-proofing, employee engagement, customer loyalty, and brand enhancement, businesses can create a comprehensive sustainability framework. These benefits not only drive positive environmental impact but also contribute to long-term business success and competitiveness in the market. By conducting a thorough analysis of our processes, we are able to highlight resource-intensive areas or hotspots where consumption is highest. This insight is critical, as it allows us to target these hotspots with strategic optimization efforts, such as improving resource management, conserving energy, and selecting cost-effective materials. Remember, the goal here is not just to reduce environmental impact but also to translate these savings into tangible financial gains for the business. Risk management is another critical aspect where LCA acts as an invaluable tool. By forecasting potential changes in environmental regulations, businesses can proactively adjust their practices to stay compliant, thus avoiding costly fines and penalties. This foresight is a crucial component of a robust business strategy. Furthermore, LCA informs us about stability within the supply chain by identifying potential risks. This could range from scarcity of resources to geopolitical issues impacting suppliers. By understanding these risks, businesses can develop strategies for alternative sourcing and mitigate potential impacts on cost before they become critical issues. Operational efficiency is a key focus area for businesses looking to improve their environmental performance. By optimizing production and service delivery processes, businesses can reduce resource consumption, minimize waste, and enhance overall efficiency. Implementing sustainable practices in operations not only reduces environmental impact but also contributes to cost savings and operational excellence. Accessing new markets through eco-labeling and green procurement compliance is a strategic imperative for businesses aiming to differentiate themselves in a competitive landscape. By obtaining eco-label qualifications through LCA practices, businesses can align with sustainability criteria that appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Market differentiation, showcasing a commitment to sustainability, not only sets businesses apart but also attracts niche segments seeking eco-friendly products and services. Green procurement alignment ensures that products and services meet the standards of environmentally focused companies and government contracts, providing a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Regulatory advantage, through proactive sustainability measures, positions businesses for future regulations, enhancing their market position and credibility. Branding and customer loyalty are intricately linked to sustainability practices, with consumer preferences increasingly favoring environmentally responsible businesses. Global consumer trends indicate a growing demand for sustainable products, with a significant percentage willing to change consumption habits to reduce environmental impact. Gen Z and Millennials, as leading consumer groups, prioritize sustainable brands, emphasizing the importance of eco-friendly practices in brand loyalty. Transparency in sharing LCA results builds trust with consumers, influencing their purchase decisions and fostering brand loyalty. Sustainable practices not only attract environmentally conscious consumers but also lead to higher customer retention rates and repeat business. By aligning with consumer values and demonstrating a commitment to sustainability, businesses can enhance their brand reputation, drive customer loyalty, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Employee engagement is a cornerstone of building a sustainable workplace culture and driving innovation within organizations. Empowering employees to participate in eco-friendly initiatives fosters a sense of pride and environmental stewardship, boosting morale and job satisfaction. Sustainable ethos, evidenced by LCA initiatives, attracts talent, with a significant percentage of millennials choosing jobs based on company sustainability practices. Higher retention rates are observed in companies with strong sustainability plans, indicating the value of environmental commitment in employee satisfaction and loyalty. Participation in sustainability initiatives not only engages employees but also encourages innovative solutions for product and process improvement. By providing opportunities for professional development through LCA involvement, businesses equip employees with valuable skills and knowledge in sustainability practices. Embracing sustainability is not just a trend but a strategic imperative for businesses aiming to thrive in a rapidly evolving landscape. By catching up with sustainability practices, businesses can enhance operational efficiency, access new markets, and foster customer loyalty. Implementing sustainable frameworks like Cradle to Cradle, C2C, and leveraging tools such as Environmental Product Declarations, EPDs, can drive green innovation and enhance brand reputation. Through a holistic approach that integrates sustainable practices into business operations, companies can navigate risks, optimize resource efficiency, and make informed decisions that align with environmental standards and customer expectations. In the context of restaurants, life cycle assessment helps pinpoint areas where resources might be wasted. By analyzing food waste, a restaurant can adjust its inventory purchasing, portion sizes, or even the menu itself to minimize waste and therefore costs. Moreover, restaurants can invest in energy-efficient kitchen appliances, which, while possibly having a higher upfront cost, contribute to considerable savings in gas and electricity bills over the long term. Supply chain actions, like sourcing ingredients locally, can also lead to savings by reducing transportation costs and promoting fresh, seasonal produce, which often carries a lower price tag due to its abundance during peak seasons. This approach not only brings cost benefits but also appeals to consumers interested in fresh, locally sourced food. In hotels and the broader hospitality sector, the tangible benefits of LCA manifest in the management of resources. For instance, setting up energy-efficient lighting and water-saving fixtures after an LCA can considerably reduce utility bills. Initiatives to reduce waste, such as introducing comprehensive recycling programs, not only decrease waste management costs but also appeal to guests who value sustainability. Another area where LCA can inform beneficial changes is in guest services. Encouraging guests to reuse towels and linens can significantly reduce the laundry load, saving on water, energy, and labor. Swapping out single-use toiletry bottles for eco-friendly alternatives reduces plastic waste and often costs, as bulk dispensers are cheaper to refill than purchasing individual packages. In the competitive food and beverage industry, sustainability isn't just about resource efficiency, it's also a marketing tool. By committing to sustainability through LCA-informed decisions, businesses can bolster their brand reputation, fostering loyalty among existing customers and attracting new ones who value ecological responsibility. For bakeries, a life cycle assessment can provide insights into the most efficient use of ingredients and energy. Buying ingredients in bulk can reduce packaging waste and cost, while meticulously planning out baking schedules ensures that ovens are used at their maximum efficiency, cutting down on energy bills. LCA can also guide bakeries in finding innovative ways to use byproducts or unsold items, preventing waste and generating additional income. Moreover, sustainable packaging can be a selling point for customers who prioritize environmental protection, and it may help reduce waste disposal costs, as recyclable and biodegradable options often incur lower waste management fees. This differentiation places them at a strategic advantage, offering a unique selling proposition that highlights their green practices. In a market where consumers are increasingly making choices based on a brand's environmental impact, businesses benefit financially from positioning themselves as eco-friendly. Not only do they save costs through efficient resource use, but they potentially reap rewards through increased patronage and market share. Remember, sustainability is more than just a trend, it's a business imperative that, when embraced, can lead to reduced costs and enhanced profitability. Life cycle assessment is a critical tool in achieving this balance. There are many possible savings directions, but in order to know what works best for you, you have to measure it first. In this section, we will introduce the principles and phases of life cycle assessment following ISO standards. Conducting LCA in accordance with ISO 14040 series standards is essential for ensuring the credibility and reliability of environmental assessments. These standards provide a structured framework for businesses to follow, guiding them through the phases of LCA in a systematic and standardized manner. By adhering to ISO 14040 series standards, businesses can enhance the accuracy and consistency of their LCA studies, enabling them to make informed decisions based on robust environmental data. The 4 obligatory phases of LCA: goal and scope definition, life cycle inventory, LCI, life cycle impact assessment, LCIA, and interpretation, are crucial for conducting a comprehensive environmental assessment. By defining objectives, collecting data, assessing impacts, and interpreting results, businesses can gain valuable insights into their environmental performance. Defining objectives outlines the purpose of the LCA, intended application, and audience. Establishes the product's lifecycle boundaries and depth of study. Functional unit considerations explains the importance of defining a quantitative description of the service provided by the product system for comparison purposes. System boundary considerations determines which processes should be included in the LCA, from raw material extraction to end-of-life disposal. Let's examine an example in the restaurant sector. Objective: assess and improve the restaurant's environmental performance to enhance sustainability and market appeal. Indicate savings potential in daily operations stakeholders: restaurant owners, local community, tourists, and suppliers. The primary goal here is to analyze and improve the restaurant's environmental performance. This involves evaluating the sustainability of the food served, the efficiency of kitchen operations, and the management of waste. The outcome should provide clear insights into how the restaurant can minimize its environmental footprint, which in turn could enhance its appeal to tourists who value ecological responsibility. Functional unit: the environmental impact per type of meal served, consisting of 250 g of beef/poultry/fish and 300 g of vegetable side dishes, served in the restaurant meal types. Beef meal, poultry meal, fish meal, vegetable meal. Assessment focus: ingredients sourcing, energy usage in cooking and heating, waste management. We include the procurement of ingredients, emphasizing local sourcing, the energy used during cooking and for AC the venue, and the waste generated during operations. This is because these aspects are directly controlled by the restaurant and significantly influence its environmental footprint. However, we choose to exclude the production of cooking equipment, the materials used to build the restaurant, and the staff commutes from our LCA. While these factors do affect the overall environmental impact, they may not be directly influenced by the restaurant's daily operations or are outside the scope of this particular study, which is more focused on daily operations and direct inputs and outputs. This system boundaries diagram showcases how all the different systems combined can generate carbon emissions which contribute to global warming. We could also think of savings per meal type, where we assert different sustainability goals per type of meal. Goal and scope is important in a LCA. Determination of direction defines the purpose and boundaries of the LCA. Every subsequent stage of LCA will be influenced by the decision made in the initial phase, making the first phase have large impact on the rest of the process. The life cycle inventory, LCI, phase of an LCA study is a useful method of gathering data on inventory. This critical step involves gathering detailed information on all inputs and outputs related to the product's life cycle. By meticulously documenting energy consumption, material use, emissions, and waste generation, businesses can build a comprehensive picture of their environmental footprint. Ensuring data quality in an LCA study is paramount to the accuracy and reliability of the results. By adhering to criteria such as relevance, accuracy, completeness, consistency, and reproducibility, businesses can trust the integrity of their environmental data. Sourcing information from direct measurements, supplier data, published databases, and government reports enhances the robustness of the LCI phase. In our small restaurant case study, the Life Cycle Inventory (LCI) phase plays a pivotal role in quantifying the inputs and outputs of daily operations. By meticulously collecting data on ingredients, energy consumption, emissions, and waste, we can paint a detailed picture of the restaurant's environmental impact. This hands-on approach to data collection enables us to identify hotspots, optimize resource use, and drive sustainability initiatives. The process of collecting data for the LCI phase involves a meticulous approach to capturing inputs and outputs of the restaurant's daily operations. From recording the weight and source of ingredients to tracking energy and water consumption, each data point contributes to a comprehensive understanding of the environmental footprint. By categorizing and quantifying emissions, waste, and other outputs, businesses can identify areas for improvement and implement targeted sustainability measures. When analyzing the environmental impact of different meal types served in the restaurant, specific data points provide insights into resource consumption and emissions. From greenhouse gas emissions in livestock production to water footprints of beef farming, each meal type presents unique environmental challenges and opportunities. By examining these data points for beef, poultry, fish, and vegetable meals, businesses can tailor sustainability strategies to mitigate environmental impact and promote eco-friendly practices. Databases and software tools play a pivotal role in streamlining the LCI process. Databases serve as repositories of essential lifecycle data, offering insights into materials, processes, and emissions factors. By leveraging software tools, businesses can efficiently organize data, model environmental impacts, and conduct impact assessments. The integration of technology enhances the efficiency, accuracy, and standardization of the LCI phase, enabling businesses to make informed decisions based on robust environmental data. The landscape of life cycle assessment software tools is dynamic and ever-evolving, offering businesses a range of options to conduct environmental assessments. These tools provide functionalities for data collection, analysis, and visualization, streamlining the LCA process. By exploring the diverse array of available LCA software, businesses can select tools that align with their specific needs and sustainability goals. Classification and characterization are pivotal steps in the Life Cycle Impact Assessment (LCIA) process, where we assign inventory data to specific impact categories and quantify their contributions. By translating raw data into common units within impact categories, businesses can assess the relative significance of each process and identify areas for improvement. Understanding the nuances of classification and characterization enables businesses to gain insights into environmental impacts and prioritize sustainability efforts effectively. The impact categories in Life Cycle Assessment (LCA) provide a comprehensive framework for evaluating environmental impacts across various dimensions. From climate change and ozone depletion to human toxicity and ecotoxicity, these categories offer insights into the diverse effects of product life cycles. By considering impact categories like water use, land use, and waste generation, businesses can assess the holistic environmental footprint of their operations. When prioritizing impact categories in LCA, certain factors take precedence due to their significant environmental implications. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide are of primary importance, given their role in global warming. Understanding the nuances of these key impact categories enables businesses to focus on mitigating high-impact areas and driving sustainability initiatives effectively. Understanding GHG. Pause. 1. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is the primary reference point for GWP because it's the most prevalent greenhouse gas emitted by human activities, primarily through the combustion of fossil fuels. Methane, CH4, has a higher GWP than CO2, meaning it is more effective at trapping heat in the atmosphere. It is often released during the production and transport of coal, oil, and natural gas, as well as from livestock and other agricultural practices. Nitrous oxide, N2O, are emitted from agricultural and industrial activities, as well as during combustion of fossil fuels and solid waste. N2O has a significant warming potential as well. Fluorinated gases, F-gases, is a group that includes a variety of gases like hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, perfluorocarbons, PFCs, sulfur hexafluoride, SF6, and nitrogen trifluoride, NF3. They are used in a range of industrial applications but have a very high GWP, even though they are generally less abundant in the atmosphere. Understanding the characteristics and environmental impacts of key greenhouse gases is essential in LCA. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases play significant roles in global warming and climate change. By delving into the specifics of these gases, businesses can tailor their sustainability strategies to address high-impact areas and reduce their carbon footprint effectively. In the realm of LCA, various impact assessment methods offer unique approaches to evaluating environmental impacts. From classic methods like CML to newer approaches like Recipe, each method provides insights into different aspects of environmental performance. By understanding the strengths and applications of these methods, businesses can conduct robust LCAs that inform sustainable decision-making. Criteria for method selection. Selecting the appropriate method for a life cycle assessment, LCA, study is crucial for ensuring the accuracy and relevance of the results. By considering factors such as goal alignment, geographic relevance, scientific robustness, sector specificity, data availability, and stakeholder requirements, businesses can choose a method that best suits their sustainability objectives. Understanding the criteria for method selection empowers businesses to conduct meaningful and impactful LCAs that drive positive environmental change. LCA interpretation. The interpretation phase of a life cycle assessment, LCA, study is where the data collected and analyzed during the inventory and impact assessment phases are translated into actionable insights. Through sensitivity analysis, scenario analysis, and contribution analysis, businesses can identify key areas for improvement, prioritize sustainability efforts, and make informed decisions based on the LCA results. LCA versus other approaches. In this section, we will consider other sustainability approaches and compare them with LCA. The cradle-to-cradle approach. The cradle-to-cradle approach revolutionizes the concept of sustainability by viewing materials as valuable resources that can be perpetually cycled in closed loops. Emphasizing the use of renewable energy sources and promoting regenerative design, this approach aligns human industry with natural processes where waste is eliminated. By adopting the cradle-to-cradle philosophy, businesses can design products that contribute to a circular economy, minimize environmental impact, and prioritize material health. The Cradle-to-Cradle certification sets a high standard for sustainable product design and production. By promoting recycling, encouraging the use of safe and healthy materials, and emphasizing upcycling, this certification ensures that products are designed with a second life in mind. The multi-level assessment across 5 quality categories underscores the commitment to environmental stewardship and circular economy principles. When comparing the cradle-to-cradle (C2C) approach with life cycle assessment, we delve into distinct yet complementary sustainability frameworks. C2C emphasizes regenerative design and the perpetual use of materials in closed loops, aligning with a circular economy model. On the other hand, LCA offers a broader assessment, encompassing raw material extraction, manufacturing, distribution, use, and end-of-life scenarios. Understanding the nuances of C2C and LCA empowers businesses to integrate sustainable practices effectively, driving environmental stewardship and promoting eco-friendly product development. Environmental Product Declarations (EPDs). EPDs play a crucial role in providing transparent and verified information about a product's environmental performance. By conducting a LCA to analyze impact categories like greenhouse gases and resource use, EPDs offer businesses a competitive edge in demonstrating their commitment to sustainability. Leveraging EPD supports green procurement strategies, meets regulatory requirements, and informs product improvement practices. Understanding the significance of EPDs in promoting sustainable practices enables businesses to enhance brand reputation, attract environmentally conscious customers, and drive positive environmental impact. Contrasting environmental product declarations (EPDs) with life cycle assessment (LCA) provides valuable insights into the depth and focus of environmental impact assessments. While EPDs offer detailed information on specific products and their environmental performance, LCA provides a broader assessment across the entire life cycle of a product. By understanding the distinctions between EPDs and LCA, businesses can leverage both tools to enhance transparency, meet regulatory requirements, and drive sustainable practices effectively. Product Environmental Footprint (PEF). The Product Environmental Footprint (PEF) methodology offers a comprehensive approach to measuring the total environmental impact of a product throughout its life cycle. By assessing carbon emissions, resource use, and pollution, companies can make informed decisions about sustainable practices, product design, and supply chain management. As consumer awareness of PEF grows, businesses can leverage this data to enhance brand perceptions, influence purchasing decisions, and align with sustainability goals. Comparing the Product Environmental Footprint (PEF) with Life Cycle Assessment (LCA) sheds light on the scope and focus of environmental impact assessments. While the PEF measures the environmental performance of a product from use to disposal, the LCA provides a more comprehensive evaluation that includes raw material extraction, manufacturing, distribution, use, and end-of-life scenarios. Understanding the distinctions between PEF and LCA enables businesses to tailor their environmental assessments to specific goals, enhance sustainability practices, and drive positive environmental change. Integrating sustainability frameworks. Hybrid sustainability strategies that integrate various frameworks are essential for businesses aiming to enhance their environmental performance. By incorporating life cycle assessment (LCA) insights into product design, supply chain management, and business models, companies can minimize environmental impact and drive sustainable practices. From product design development to end-of-life management, aligning with sustainability frameworks like cradle-to-cradle and circular economy principles enables businesses to optimize resource use, reduce waste, and foster a culture of environmental stewardship. Hybrid sustainability strategies that blend LCA insights with principles like cradle-to-cradle and circular economy are instrumental in driving environmental progress. By incorporating LCA data into product design, supply chain management, and business models, companies can optimize resource use, minimize waste, and promote sustainable practices. From product design development to end-of-life management, aligning with sustainability frameworks empowers businesses to enhance their environmental performance and foster a culture of environmental stewardship. Green innovation thrives on the foundation of LCA, enabling businesses to measure and track the environmental benefits of their products and processes. By leveraging LCA insights, companies can identify areas for improvement, optimize resource use, and drive innovation towards more sustainable practices. From reducing environmental impact to enhancing operational efficiency, the LCA method serves as a valuable tool for businesses committed to environmental stewardship and continuous improvement. Specific strategies for small businesses. Small businesses play a crucial role in driving sustainability initiatives, and implementing specific strategies can help them enhance their environmental performance. By focusing on areas like energy efficiency, waste reduction, sustainable sourcing, and eco-friendly practices, small businesses can make significant strides towards sustainability. From optimizing operational processes to engaging employees in eco-friendly initiatives, small businesses can leverage the principles of life cycle assessment, LCA, to achieve cost savings, reduce environmental impact, and enhance their overall sustainability profile. Congratulations on learning the fundamentals of life cycle assessment. Now, through an individual assignment, you will have the opportunity to apply your knowledge by modeling and calculating the environmental impact of a small restaurant. By engaging in this practical exercise, you will gain hands-on experience in conducting an LCA study, identifying environmental hotspots, and developing strategies for sustainable improvement. This assignment will provide valuable insights into the real-world application of LCA principles and equip you with the skills to drive environmental sustainability in business practices.